Good day. This presentation is a tutorial on how to use the Family Tree mobile app and memories. I'm using an iPhone 6s. A little will be covered on the Android phone at the end of this video also. Go to the App Store, or if you have an Android, go to the Play Store. Choose FamilySearch.org. It will look like this, and this is what the icon looks like on your phone desktop. You will use the same username and password as on your computer for Family Search, or create one if you don't have one. Family Search will first open up with your tree. I'm assuming you already know a little bit about working in the Family Search tree. If you need a refresher, there are videos in this series you can review. Everything you would find on the details page or across the top here, divided into 6 sections. You are looking at the details page here. Here you can see James Victor Duke's spouse and children. You can add a child or wife here. Touching a pencil in the circle allows you to edit that person. See his parents and siblings. See his sources. The phone does not have a source box as of now. Touching the plus sign will allow you to search records or add a source. Touching the green circle with the plus sign will allow you to search records, add a source with a web page or with a photo. If I touch Search Records, it will bring up a box that asks me if I want to search Family Search or Ancestry. You will add all types of memories here and see the ordinances that have been done or not done for this person. Here is how to add a photo. Go to Memories on a person's detailed page. Touch the green plus sign to bring up a menu. Touch Add Photo. I can touch on any picture in my camera roll or take a picture by touching here. I want to add this baby picture of Victor, so I will take a picture of my picture. I could retake the picture, or if I decide to use it, touch it here. This will bring up another screen and I can crop here or rotate it here and then save it. That's it. It will also be on your computer in Family Search as well. Touch the green plus sign again. Then touch Record Audio. This is really easy. The program gives you some ideas of things to talk about if you want to use them, or you can just touch on Begin Recording. Touch Start. Keep it under 15 minutes. Touch Done. Give it a name by typing it in, or touch the microphone and just say the name. To add a story, touch Write Story. Give it a title and start typing, or use the microphone to dictate your story. Save it. Notice it gives a contributor on all those memories and the date so others could contact you if they had questions or more information to share. Click under their name to get their email or contact Family Search. If you had other people mentioned in the story, touch here to add this story to their memories as well. A list will come up with all the people in your tree, and you can select any or all the people in your story. If I click on Agnes Catley, it adds a check mark showing that the story is added to her memories also. Adding a document is the same as adding a picture. Touch Documents, take the picture or select from your camera roll, retake or use the photo, add a title, crop or rotate it, and save it. Going into Victor's memories, I can see all these types of memories I have saved. To change an image type or delete a memory, touch the memory to bring it up to the foreground like above. Touch the 3 dots in the top right corner. This screen pops down. Touching Image Type will change the document to a photo. If you had a photo, you can change it to a document, or you can delete the memory altogether. Another screen pops up to make sure your fingers touch the right button, and you can touch Delete here. I will show you some other nice features. Touching the green check mark under Task shows ancestors that either need work done or hints to add. The eye at the top right will show you what the colors mean. If I click on a blue circle, I can add a hint or a source. 2 hints come up. Touch one of them and review it. If it looks like a good match, give a reason and attach the source just like you would in Family Search on the computer. Touching on recents will show the last 50 people you have visited in the family tree. Touching on the temple icon will bring up your reservation list. I want to print out a temple card for Ann Wallace. Put a check mark beside her name and touch Take to the Temple. Touch Create Family Name Cards, or you could create an FOR. If you're somewhat close to a wireless printer, you can print out the cards right from your phone, or you can take this number to the temple and they can print it out for you. Touch on Continue. Touch the three dots to bring up this white bar and touch on Share. Here you can send it to other places or print it out. I will touch Print. You can change which printer or say how many copies. Turn off the double-sided button for temple cards, but other things you might want to be double-sided. Touch Print, and here it is, ready to be trimmed and taken to the temple. This is nice if all your family members are using the computers in the house or you're out and about. No worries, you can use your phone. Touching on the three dots at the bottom will bring up this menu. I can search historical records, or I can find a person by their personal identification number or name. Or if there's some friends around you within 100 yards, touch Relatives Around Me. On the next screen, touch Scan for Friends. If you're related to anyone within that 100 yards, it will give you their name and how they're related. They must be logged into Family Search also. Met My Ancestors is fun also. Touch here and it brings up some screen with blue dots showing where your ancestors lived and how many of them lived there. Touch a dot, and it can show you where they lived throughout their lives and where they died, assuming that information is in your tree. You can see messages other people have sent you, but touch the Settings tab. Here you can turn off or on temple ordinances, expand ancestors with tasks, or show multiple windows for quickly moving back and forth between screens. When you turn this button on, this gray bar comes up at the bottom. Touch here to see all your screens or delete them if desired, or touch the plus sign to add more screens. The double page icon does not show up on the bottom left when you are in multiple screen mode. Move through the different screens by swiping sideways. Touch the red X and you can delete that page. The dots here on the bottom tell me I have 3 screens opened. Going down the list under the Help menu, I can get help from Family Search, or I can access the Consultant Planner. The Consultant Planner gives some specific facts about your tree, but also provides a way you can help others by going in and looking at their tree. There is a video in this series on how to use the Consultant Planner. When you are in a person's detailed page, touch the 3 dots at the right top of the screen and you will see where you can view your relationship with that ancestor, or search records, or see descendants with tasks, or view this tree. Touch More, and you can see possible duplicates among other things seen here. Touch Charts, and it will give you whatever type of chart you have touched for this person. Touch the 3 dots and go to Share, and then touch Print. Touch Print, and again you have printed from a wireless printer. The Android phone is very similar to the iPhone with a few exceptions. This is a Motorola phone. Charts is across the top. After selecting the type of chart you want, it downloads it as seen by the arrow at the top. After touching the down arrow, choose the chart from the list. Touch the 3 dots to bring up the Print command. Tapping on the 3 lines at the top left of a person's detail page will bring up everything you see here. This is more general information. You can see the temple list, search records, and so forth. Tapping on the 3 dots at the top right of the screen when you are on a person's detail page will bring up all the things you see here, which have to do more with the individual person, like see recent changes or possible duplicates and so forth. So relax, you've got this. With all these conveniences on your phone, you can do family history and capture memories wherever you happen to be. Hope you have a great rest of the day, and thanks for watching.